ARIA Cybersecurity introduces the industry's most advanced threat detection and response system, which finds and stops all forms of cyber attacks. Organizations desperately need an approach to stop cyber attacks before harm is done. This is not happening today for two main reasons. The first being that the average enterprise with a SIEM sees over 5,000 alerts every day. It would take 100 people to explore each one. Instead, they rely on experts to write and update filters to try and weed out obvious false positives. It's a difficult battle to win each and every day. It also takes most organizations weeks to discover they've been breached. Why is this? This second problem stems from not monitoring the internal network, as shown here by the connectivity within premises, between devices, and between the public and private cloud instances. Once threats get past the perimeter defenses, they're very difficult to pick up if the internal network is not properly monitored. The result is an incomplete dataset along with too much of the wrong data. This prevents analysts from stopping cyber attacks in a timely fashion. To solve this, we created a solution called ARIA Advanced Detection and Response, or ADR. It's an application that provides the industry's most effective form of real-time, automated cyber attack detection and containment. ARIA ADR does the work of a dedicated round-the-clock security team, hence a SOC in a box. It is a powerful, extremely cost-efficient solution that can be run by a single staff member from anywhere, even from home. ARIA ADR detects the 9 most harmful categories of attack. It is a much better approach to detect threats, rather than using ineffective rules and signatures. ARIA ADR does so by understanding how threats behave, detecting them by their unique behavior, all throughout the kill chain. So how does ARIA ADR work? It uses a big data approach leveraging the combination of 4 breakthrough concepts. First, we built 60 threat models to detect all forms of cyber attack behavior. Second, we ingest data from every network packet, each device's event logs, and the industry's best threat intelligence into a fast, big data analysis engine which leverages machine learning to find the threat behaviors. Third, we apply artificial intelligence to help correlate the input to identify the threats and their scope. And finally, to take the appropriate action to stop them, automatically and immediately. By being fast and thorough, ARIA ADR can stop attacks before significant harm is done. Here's just one example of how ransomware, which is often missed until widespread damage is done, can be found. Once it lands on a device, modern ransomware is weaponized to use lateral spread techniques to reach across the network to find as many devices to infect as possible. ARIA ADR detects this lateral movement, while it gathers other information from the devices to verify this is ransomware, and then automatically takes action to isolate the infected device off the network before further harm is done. So what does ARIA ADR provide that you didn't have before? A precise, automated solution that finds and stops attack in any environment.